poverty is growing in Ethiopia, as more members of the middle and upper classes are chewing the leaf. Khat is a natural stimulant considered to be mildly addictive. Ethiopia is one of the world's main producers of khat, and the leaf has become the country's #2 export behind coffee. But in Ethiopia itself, the government has banned khat houses.
Jati kamnan kapsi pane sigara dafina kenni kanana ta'e harara darga ko darga kecil fikata hadara dafina kenni kanana ta'e harara jati harara jati harara jati rijal lafanarku anga sikamuti kapsifane sigara
kananate arara kalabsurna wanduhu berjanjani yala tamdan shamlan ransani bonsani rubsani raya dabatu ya tomoy sanute arara
ganja ashishika koken kanabisi ganja ashishika koken kanabisi sifayadu umni jijjirama
Students and professionals use khat in hopes of improving their school results or work performance. Some towns in the country
Dufumma hambinna jabanne hojjannan dufumma hambinna biyyaaf addunyaa kobiitaana isa araara dhaloonni amma hadaara jati
Samba the sedikit Samba the sedikit